Welcome to This Explainer. We are diving straight into something absolutely fascinating today. We're looking at a beautifully crafted 10-part tutorial called Generative AI for Everyday Life, a friendly guide. Now, this is put together by Virtualization Options, LLC. They are a research, education, and advisory group based out of Colorado. And what's really great here is their whole approach. This is specifically designed for older adults who are curious and ready to explore the future, but, want to do it entirely at their own pace. No rushing. No confusing tech jargon, just a really friendly, structured path to understanding something that is literally changing the world.
When we hear the word technology, I think a lot of us immediately picture cold, hard machines. Or worse, those frustrating instruction manuals with print way too small to actually read. But let's just flip the script for a second. Imagine having a deeply knowledgeable companion available to you literally any time of day or night. There's no appointment needed, nobody putting you on hold, and absolutely zero judgment. Just a friend, sitting there ready to help out with your daily tasks. And the absolute best part? They speak to you in plain, everyday English. And look, this isn't some distant sci-fi movie stuff. This is a reality that a ton of older adults are confidently discovering right now. Just picture it, sitting at your kitchen table, a warm cup of coffee in hand, comfortably exploring what generative AI can actually do. It is not about turning into a computer programmer overnight. It's really just about picking up a new tool to make everyday life a little easier, a little more interesting, and honestly, a whole lot more fun. So, let's get grounded in what we're actually talking about here. Looking at Chapter 1 of our source material, it cleanly demystifies this buzzword we've been hearing everywhere lately, artificial intelligence, or AI. It breaks it down so simply. AI is just a computer program that understands your questions and answers you in everyday language. It's exactly like a real conversation. That's it. It completely throws out the need for intimidating technical jargon or scary computer code. You're literally just talking to it like you talk to a neighbor over the fence.
So you really don't need to stress over confusing algorithms or complex math. Instead, just think of AI as a very smart helper. It's that knowledgeable friend we were talking about who just happens to live inside your computer or your tablet. When you look at it that way, as a helper instead of some huge hurdle, the possibilities suddenly become incredibly exciting and completely accessible.
Let's look at how this actually plays out in real life. Okay, say you're staring into your fridge, totally stumped on what to make for dinner. You know you need to watch your salt intake, and frankly, you are just tired of plain steamed veggies. Well, you can ask this AI helper to tailor its ideas exactly to your specific dietary needs. You literally just type, "Give me a low-sodium dinner recipe using chicken and vegetables." And it won't just spit out a generic list of web links that you have to dig through. No way. It instantly writes out a customized, step-by-step recipe tailored exactly to what you just asked for.
Or say you're feeling a bit more adventurous. You can easily turn AI into your own personal travel guide. You could type in something like, "What are the best things to do in Savannah, Georgia for a 3-day trip?" And within seconds, your smart helper organizes a beautifully structured itinerary for you. It'll suggest historic tours for the morning, the best local spots for lunch, relaxing walks for the afternoon. It does all the heavy lifting of researching and organizing, so you're left with the fun part, the actual anticipation of the trip.
Now, jumping over to Chapter 5, we see how this builds into something truly magical. Because AI isn't just about typing text to get recipes or travel plans. It wonderfully explores a totally different side of generative AI, creating images. We all know traditional art supplies are beautiful, but man, they can be intimidating, messy, and pretty expensive too. But what if I told you that you could create stunning, beautiful images without ever picking up a paintbrush, buying a canvas, or taking a single art class in your entire life?
With generative AI, the creative process is incredibly simple, and honestly, it feels a little bit like magic. You literally turn your words into pictures. You just use your everyday words to describe exactly what you would love to see, and the AI takes those words and magically creates the visual for you. You are the director, and the AI is the artist holding the brush.
For instance, if you were to ask the AI for a peaceful wooden bench surrounded by blooming pink roses in a watercolor style, boom, it instantly brings that exact scene to life. It takes your unique imagination and paints it right onto a digital canvas. And you can ask for literally anything. A futuristic city, a beautiful landscape from your childhood memories, or hey, even a portrait of a dog wearing a top hat, which is always good for a chuckle, right? The AI understands your plain English description and just generates the artwork in seconds.
Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Okay, this sounds amazing, but where do I even start? Well, the tutorial highly recommends trying out some beginner-friendly tools to get started turning your words into pictures today. Two really great options are Adobe Firefly and Microsoft Designer. Let me repeat those, Adobe Firefly and Microsoft Designer. And the absolute best part? Both of these are completely free to start using. They're built to be intuitive, welcoming, and basically perfect for someone dipping their toes into AI for the very first time.
So we've seen how this tech can help you plan your meals, organize your travels, and even paint gorgeous watercolor landscapes, all just by having a simple conversation in plain English. You basically have an infinitely patient, brilliantly smart assistant right there waiting for your instructions. The only limit is your imagination. So what are you going to ask your new AI friend first? The future is absolutely yours to explore. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy creating.